Hello and welcome. This is Cherie with Rehash Fiber, and today we're going to talk about how you can comb the pills off of your sweaters. All right, it is so enjoyable to wear sweaters made from natural fibers such as wool and alpaca. What happens is when we're wearing them, there is friction, and that will create the smaller fibers to come out and pill. When it gets to a certain point, you can't stand it anymore. You need to get them off. That is where this wonderful little pill shaver comes in handy. I found this at Pan Bang Knits in Brooksville, Florida. And on the plastic that it came in, it said Giggling Hens Pill Shaver. So right now, I'm just going to show you how to get those pills off your sweater. So I wanted you to see this front side here. This has been combed. It looks real nice. There's no pills. Now we're going to move over to this side, and I'm just going to show you the combing off of the pills. I find it very fun and very rewarding. Just like that. So on this sweater, I find it pills mostly in the front, so it must be, I'm touching things, carrying things, and then it pills a lot here under the arms. You see my arm here? There's just a ton because they're always rubbing against each other. This is a beautiful Manx Loten blend of wool. I made this Icelandic sweater and held it double. It's fluffy and warm and cozy, and it's a traditional Icelandic pattern. And there is a show all about it if you're interested. We're going to go ahead and we're going to comb right under here, and you see how it's just looking real nice. And it's just a very satisfying thing because the pills get annoying and then presto, they're gone. I don't have to do this very often. I really only do it like once a season. However, I live in Florida, so our sweater season is super short. But in Tampa, we do get one where it gets in the 30s and the 40s for the low. All right, so you see there, the front is looking real nice. And that's all there is to it. And here's all these little neps that we just got off. All right, here's a nice close-up look at this comb. You can find all variety if you just Google pill shaver. I just happened to find this one with the cute little sheep on it from Pan Bang Knits. You see, it's as easy as that. It's actually quite fun, and your sweater looks good and fresh again. I love this little comb because it is inexpensive, little and light, and I have full control of how I want to treat my sweater. I do know there are some electronic pill shavers out there. I personally have not tried it myself, so I cannot speak on that, but I do know this works great, and that's all I need. All right, everybody, happy depilling your sweaters, and thanks for watching.